Cheers everyone. This is day 16 on the path to $30,000 a month. Yesterday I had said that I was going to be doing my FBA shipment. I did not get around to it, but today we're going to be doing a lot of FBA orders. We need to get a lot out. So that's how the morning's going to start. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been running this business for over 3 years. And I want to help other entrepreneurs through the ups and downs by showing them how my business goes day by day. And if you're an aspiring entrepreneur, you can just see the day in the life of what I do and kind of what we do, because we do have highs and lows in business. And you know, lately I've been dealing with the highs and the lows, like basically a roller coaster. I hope you guys enjoy the video today. It's going to be possibly more entertaining just because I'm going to have a lot more vinyl decals I'm going to be weeding out, which to me I think that's more entertaining. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, so I didn't realize, I totally forgot, these are one of the most difficult designs to weed out. I don't know why. Sometimes the needle doesn't cut all the way through the vinyl, and so there was like an O, like the letter O, like getting caught every single time, and it was slowing me down so much. So that's why you see this one going way slower. So if you want to, if you want to just skip through this, I totally understand. As you're gonna see, I am making so many of these cat decals. These are my best sellers. People love them. They're like 10,000 BSR on Amazon. If you do want one, I do have them in the TikTok shop. So if you want to check them out, you can get them there.
We're going crazy. This is nuts. So I am labeling, I'm currently printing, I'm currently cutting, and I got labels on the floor because I don't have anywhere to put them right now. I'm trying to get like 1,000 things out today, and this is getting hectic here. Yeah, I was just updating you. This is crazy. Like there's so much going on right now. I'm like, if I'm not doing one thing, I'm doing another. All right, I gotta get back to it.
Thanks for watching. I finally got to the point where I am now packaging up all of my SKUs and sending them off to Amazon.
All right, guys, if you made it through that with me, thank you so much. That was a pain in the butt, but we didn't get all of them out, but we got a good amount. We got 389 products that are getting sent out to Amazon right now. So I'll show you. We got this box. So I got these 3 packages. Those are vinyl. These are from yesterday, but here's this puppy right here. I was gonna say just guess how much that cost, but that's not quick enough. That was $85 to ship that box out now that Amazon has their new rules. So it's 21 cents per product now that I have to deal with. So that is why I'm not shipping stuff out, but I did realize, I'm like, you know what? If I'm trying to hit this 30K mark, I really need to get my FBA back in order. So yeah, all right, off to UPS.
All right, so a little update. A few hours after, my Cricut machine decided to not work so well. And I had Michael's, I had a protection plan for the Cricut machine, and it looks like I have to do a claim, which is going to take up to 2 days, and hopefully I can get my money to buy a new Cricut machine. So tomorrow may be pretty difficult to make stickers. It's not cutting all the way through. So for day 17, be there and watch me absolutely struggle. All right, let's go break down yesterday's revenue. All right, so the total for eBay yesterday came out to $24. All right, and so for Amazon, we came out to $320. This is our lowest day, but guys, we already know that there are ups and downs in business. And I also just want to include that our mug boats, my #1 sellers, are out, and also I am out of stock with the cat decals. So there are obvious impacts with those actions. So once I get all those back in, hopefully we can hit that 30K mark by the end of the month. But guys, we don't know. We just got to get that product in as soon as possible. All right, so yesterday's total came out to $344. All right, so our total income this month is at $14,310 at day 16. We're not doing horrible. I'm not going to complain. This is ups and downs. I'm callous to this for the most part. I already know how this goes, but if you guys are aspiring entrepreneurs, you got to know that this is going to happen. You're going to have high days. As you can see, my peaks and my lows, which is today's my lowest day. So you got to remember to be consistent. That is the one nugget, is to be consistent, and what goes with that is taking action. If you take action, you're gonna be consistent. And so that is the most important thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000. This is day 16, and tomorrow will be day 17. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.